learn about some more conversions, and the conversions that we will learn in this video are conversion from binary to other number system and vice versa. So we will discuss how to convert a number from binary to octal and then from octal to binary. That means we will convert a binary number into octal and then from octal back to binary. Similarly, we will convert a binary number to its hexadecimal equivalent and then from hexadecimal equivalent to binary. So you can see in all these conversions there is one common thing, that either we are converting to binary or from binary, right? The conversion is either from binary or to binary. So let us see how we can perform these conversions. First we will discuss the conversion from a binary to octal number. Let us have a binary number, say 1001011, and we are supposed to convert this into octal number system. For this, first of all, we will prepare a table, and that table is given in this figure. And in order to prepare this table, you have to consider one thing, that what we are doing, we are converting a binary number to its octal number, and the base of octal number is what? The base of octal number is 8, and 8 can be represented in the form of power in the power of 2 is when we convert 8 into powers of 2, it becomes 2 to the power 3. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. That means every octal number, you know the octal numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7, every octal number can be represented using 3 bits or 3 binary digits. So for example, 0 can be represented as 000, 1 can be represented as 001, 2 as 010, and likewise 7 can be represented as 111. Now I am giving you a method to prepare this table. What you can do, since it is a table for octal numbers, so first of all we will write all 8 octal digits here, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7, and since it is octal number, so it can be represented as 2 to the power 3, means 3 bits form, 3 binary digits form. So for this we write 000, and likewise for 1 we write 001. So how to get these values? I am giving you a simple formula to generate these numbers. What you can do, because we have 8 digits in octal, so we what is half of 8? 4. So first we will write 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 ones, right? Next time we will write, what is half of 4? 2. So we will write 2 zeros, then 2 1, 2 zeros, then 2 1, and what is half of 2? That is 1. Then we will write 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So I am again explaining it to you. First we will write 4 zeros, then 4 ones, then 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1, then 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, and you will get the 3-bit form for every octal numbers. So once we have created this table, then it becomes very easier to convert a binary number into octal number. And the steps for converting the number from binary to octal are, first of all we make pairs of 3 bits from right hand side. This is the binary number, what we will do, we will make pair of 3 bits from right hand side. So starting from right hand side, this is right hand side, we will make pair of 3 numbers. The first pair will be 1 1 0. So this is 1 1 0. This is one pair. The second pair will be 1 0 0 1 0 0. Then we will have the third pair, but since we have only one digit left here, that is 1, right, and we have to convert this digit 1 into 3-bit form. Since we have left with only 1 bit, that is 1, so we have to make it a 3-bit form number. So what we will do, we will add additional zeros if required to the left to make it a pair of 3 bits. So this is 1 only single bit, so we will add 2 more zeros to make it a 3-bit string, right? Now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to write the equivalent octal digit for all these pairs. So first pair is 0 0 1. So what is 0 0 1? 0 0 1 is 1. So for this we will write 1. Then again we have 0 0 1. So 0 0 1 is 1. And then 0 1 1. What is 0 1 1? 0 1 1 is 3. So for this we will write 3. So the octal equivalent of this binary number will be 113. So we can write 113 base 8. So this is how we can convert a binary number into octal equivalent. Now let us see how we can convert an octal number to its binary equivalent. Suppose we have given an octal number 237, and then we are supposed to get its a binary equivalent. So again we will need to create this table, and you already know how to create this table in 3-bit form. So 0 1 2 3 4, and again this is 4 zeros, 4 1 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1 and 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, right? Now the octal number is 237. We will write these digits separately, and then we will find out the equivalent 3-bit form from this table for individual digits. For example, for 7 we have 111. So for instead of 7 we will write 111. For 3 it is 011. So for 3 we will write 011, and for 2 it is 010, and for 2 we will write 010. Now we will combine these 3 pairs. So we will get 010 and 011, 011, and then 111. So this will be equivalent binary of this octal number. Since this is a leading zeros, as with decimal number the leading zero has no effect, so we can leave out the leading zeros. Similarly, we can leave out any leading zero from this binary number, so it can also be written as 1 0 0 1 1 1 and 1. So this is how we can perform conversion from binary to octal and from octal to binary. Now let us see how can we convert a number from binary to its hexadecimal equivalent. As for converting a binary number into octal, we have created a table of 3 bits, right? Because there in octal we have 8 digits, and 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Similarly, here the hexadecimal number has got 16 digits, 0 1 2 3 4 up to 9, and then for 10 we write A B C D E F up to 15. So since there are 16, the base of hexadecimal number system is 16, which can be written as 2 to the power 4. So now this time we will represent each digit of hexadecimal number system in 4 bits form. How many? 4 bits form, right? So again, since we have we are going to represent this in 4 bit form, so each number should be represented by a pair of 4 binary digits. For this, what we will do, we have hexadecimal, total numbers are 16, so we will take half of 16, that is 8, and we will write first 8 zeros and then 8 ones, then we will write 4 zeros, 4 ones, again 4 zeros and 4 ones, then we will write 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1, and finally write 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So we will automatically get this table. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to convert this number into hexadecimal. So this time we will make pair of these digits, but since we are going to convert this into hexadecimal, and hexadecimal can be represented in 4 bits form, so this time we will create pair of 4 bits starting from right hand side, right? So first of all, we will take these 4 digits, 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1, then 1 2 3 4, second pair will be 0 0 1 0, so this is 0 0 1 0. Then we will left with only one bit, that is 1, so we have to make it 4 bit, a pair of 4 bits, so we need to add 3 more bits, that is zeros, before this single digit to make it a pair of 4 bit. Now each pair of bits can be converted into octal number using this table. So this pair is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, it is for 1, so we will write 1 for this. 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 is for 2, so we will write 2 here, and 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 is for 11, that is written as B in hexadecimal, so we will write B here, and finally the hexadecimal equivalent will be 1 2 B at the base of 16. So this is how we can convert binary to hexadecimal. Now it's vice versa, from hexadecimal number to binary. Suppose we are given A to B 16, a hexadecimal number, and we are supposed to convert this into binary. So we will write equivalent binary code in 4 bits form for each digit of hexadecimal number from given table. So we have 3 digits in this hexadecimal number, one is A, another one is 2, and then next is B, right? And now we will find 8 bit form pairs from this table for each digit of hexadecimal number. So first digit is A, and for A we have 1010, so we will write 1010 for A. For 2 we will write 0010, so this is 0010, and for B we will write 1011. Finally we will combine these pairs and we get 1010, then 0010, and finally 1011 at the base of 2, right? So this was how to convert from binary to other number system, that is from binary to octal, then from octal to binary, and similarly from binary to hexadecimal and vice versa. So hope you got the logic behind all these conversions. This is a small assignment for you. You can perform these conversions In this you have to convert this octal number into binary. So what you are supposed to do, you have to write 4-bit forms for each digit of these, 3-bit form for each octal digit from table to convert it into binary. Similarly, this hexadecimal number system, hexadecimal number can be converted into binary by replacing each digit by 4-bit form. And this is from binary to octal, and this is from binary to hexadecimal. So you can do this assignment in your homework to practice all what you have learned in this video. Thank you so much.